Our universe is a place of constant motion. It's not static, it's expanding. Imagine, if you will, a balloon with dots drawn on it. As you inflate the balloon, the dots move farther apart. That's similar to what's happening with galaxies in our universe. This expansion has profound implications. As the universe expands, it cools down. Think about how the air escaping from a balloon feels cool. The universe's expansion, like the air from the balloon, is a natural process driven by the aftermath of the Big Bang. This expansion isn't just about galaxies moving apart. It's about stretching the very fabric of space-time. And as this expansion continues relentlessly, it sets the stage for the universe's ultimate fate, a state known as heat death. Imagine a cup of hot coffee. Leave it on the counter and it cools down, eventually reaching room temperature. This natural tendency towards equilibrium is driven by a concept called entropy. Simply put, entropy is the measure of disorder or randomness in a system. The universe, like that cup of coffee, is also subject to entropy. Over incredibly long timescales, energy, which powers the stars and galaxies, will become more evenly distributed. This means no more concentrated pockets of energy to fuel stars, no more stellar nurseries, no more bursts of light and creation. The universe will continue to expand and cool, and as it does, entropy increases. This leads to a state of maximum entropy, where everything is in equilibrium and no more useful work can be done. This is the essence of the heat death scenario. The journey towards heat death is an unimaginably long one. We're talking about timescales that dwarf the current age of the universe, which is about 13.8 billion years. Trillions upon trillions of years, a number so large it loses meaning in human terms. As the universe continues down this path, stars will exhaust their fuel and die out. Galaxies will drift farther apart, becoming like isolated islands in the vast cosmic ocean. Black holes, those cosmic behemoths, will eventually evaporate, their energy slowly dissipating back into the universe. The once vibrant tapestry of stars, galaxies, and nebulae will fade away, leaving behind a cold, dark, and desolate expanse. A universe in its final stages of quietude. The concept of heat death naturally begs the question, what about life itself? In a universe inexorably marching towards heat death, life as we know it is but a fleeting spark. The conditions for life as we understand it are temporary. Our own sun, for example, has a lifespan of billions of years, but eventually it will swell into a red giant, engulfing the inner planets, including Earth. This event alone underscores the impermanence of our cosmic neighborhood. While the prospect of heat death might seem bleak, it also highlights the preciousness of life and the importance of cherishing our moment in the cosmic spotlight. As the universe reaches maximum entropy, a state of equilibrium will descend. No more stars will ignite, no more galaxies will collide. Black holes, the last holdouts of concentrated energy, will have evaporated. Temperature differences, the driving force behind so many cosmic processes, will cease to exist. The universe will become a sea of uniformly distributed low-energy particles. Even the fabric of space-time itself might eventually be stretched to a point where it loses its structure. This is the ultimate silence, the final chapter in the universe's long and grand story. A state of perfect balance where change, in any meaningful sense, grinds to a halt. Contemplating the heat death of the universe can be a humbling experience. It reminds us of the vastness of the cosmos and the fleeting nature of our existence within it. We are but temporary residents on a tiny planet, orbiting an average star in a universe with billions upon billions of galaxies. Yet this knowledge shouldn't lead to despair but to a sense of awe and wonder. We are fortunate to exist in this era, to witness the beauty of a universe teeming with stars, galaxies, and perhaps even other forms of life. Let the knowledge of the universe's ultimate fate inspire us to appreciate the present moment, to explore the cosmos with curiosity and wonder, and to strive to understand our place in this grand and ever-evolving cosmic story.